Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start our video. And today is a collab video where I was kindly sent these hearts, and they are by Caspire. I will link their website, and they have very affordable molds. So this is a set of different shape hearts, and they all come in set of 3. So today I will be making this one. I actually love the shape of this heart, and it also comes in 3 sizes. And slowly I will be making more of these in different styles, and as I have different molds as well. So we have a large, medium and small here. So these with the smaller ones you can make beautiful necklaces as well. They can turn into pendants, and with the big one you can make a paperweight, or these are actually very good for pocket hearts if you want to gift them. So what I'm doing here is I have already mixed my resin. I have taken a low viscosity resin here because it has low bubbles, as it has very less bubbles. So these are the flowers that I will be using. So I got a good deal, and I bought these flowers from eBay. I have a lot of them. So yeah, I keep on searching on internet and looking for good deals. So I had some color schemes in mind, and I am adding my first flower into the large heart. These flowers look so amazing and beautiful in these hearts, and the pearly white went into the large one, and for this medium one I am using my purple one. And into the smaller heart I will be adding a yellow. So carefully I'm adding my flowers here. So I prefer to make these heart in layers instead of doing in a one go. And the theme for these hearts is moon. So these are moon hearts. So anyone out there who is a lover of moons, because I am myself, I am obsessed with moon, and I love to make creation regarding the moon. So yeah, so I'm adding the moons into the mold. So I'm trying to think that when I will demold it, where the side of the moon will be, but I was confused here. So it's no worries. It's handmade, made with love. So trying to arrange the moon. So here is the baby breath, and slowly I will be adding these into the molds. So as I was telling you that I made these hearts in layers. So yeah. So when you are making small creations, they take a lot of time and your patience. So it's again really up to you where you want to add them. So here I'm adding these beads into the resin. So I am still working on the first layer here. So at this time my resin is a bit on the thicker side. So now the reason being is that now I'm adding these beads. Now they will not float here and there. They will stay in place. So this is a tip as well for you. Because when your resin is in the liquidy runny form, your most of your flowers and your beads, they start to float here and there when you're working. So I do add my teeny tiny uh, embellishment later on when the resin is on the thicker side. I hope you understand what I am talking about here. So after adding the beads, I am using these foils and they come in the kit. So there are many amazing colors. I will be trying to use all of them: gold, silver, and combination of foil. Of course, you need a lot of patience to make these hearts if you are making in the same way. Believe me on it, I was a very rushed person, and before getting into the art field, I was a very rushed person and I wanted to do my things very quickly. I don't have time. But when started doing my arts, my creation, and actually I study arts, so the one first thing my teacher told me that you need to have a lot of patience. Without patience, you don't create amazing things. So yeah, from there I gradually learned that with patience come designs and good work. So when I started doing resin, it was the same thing for me. I rushed my work and thought why it's not working, why it's not happening. I was not understanding resin. So resin is again a patience, a work of patience. You have to have a lot of patience when you're working with resin. Otherwise it will work by itself, and resin has its own mind, as I always say. So yeah, again now I'm adding a big moon into the large heart mold. So this is how it looks for now. So when I was thinking that I am done, I just remember that these heart have a beautiful tail, and when you add these pearls to the tail, they look really beautiful. So I wanted to do this before this first layer cures. So these pearls do look really beautiful when you're casting flower into your resin. If you are doing in a bigger form or into the smaller one, believe me, they look amazing. So you can buy them online in different sizes. So this is the first layer, and now we let it cure. So this is the next day, and now we start with the second layer. So I have mixed my resin again here. Make sure to use low viscosity resin for a bubble free beautiful heart. Of course there will be little bubbles, but still it will be very clear, trust me, if you're using a low viscosity resin. So now I'm adding some glitter. So I love this glitter. It is actually very fine glitter, not the chunky one. So I will be mixing my glitter in a container. So in a few drops of resin, I just mixed a little bit of glitter, and I will be now dropping it into the mold. So when I'm making these hearts, I find it to be very therapeutic, and I really connect with these creation of these sorts. It's like I'm on a spiritual journey here. And sometimes I do add crystals to them as well. For these heart, I did add some quartz into this bigger one and amethyst into the purple one, and I think so in the yellow one I added some amber, so making them special and extra amazing. So in this way, if you're giving these as a gift, you can add your friends or loved one favorite crystals into these hearts. So I'm adding some more flowers into the second layer, and at the same time I don't want to do it overcrowded as well, so keeping everything in mind. So here I have taken this mica powder, and it's a bit on the pink side, so just adding a hint of this mica mixed resin into my heart with the purple flower, just to give some effects. So you can add different color pigmented resins into the flower into the hearts as well. It's again really up to you. So for the second layer, I am adding some more pearls, or so these are the real pearls. Before, the one that I added were imitations, but these are real ones. And now I will be adding some aura films into this second layer. So after adding my aura films and a little bit of some flowers until I was happy, I let it cure the second layer, and on the third day I just filled them up. Somehow I missed that footage, but it was simply I mixed my resin and filled them up and let them cure. So this is finally the fourth day, and let's see how they turned out. So this is the first one, and every time I demold these hearts, I just fell in love with them. Yeah, I know that I say that a lot, but these hearts are actually something next level. I really love whoever designed this shape of the heart. really hats off to you. So this is the purple one. So yeah, the moon got a bit wonky in this one, but still it's fine. So this is the end result, and let's see how they turned out. So this is the final look here. So I have some videos before where I turn them into jewelry pieces as well, so I will link them. So I hope you find them useful. So yeah, I will link the website from where you can buy these hearts. So in time you can buy them and make beautiful hearts for your loved one, and on the Valentine Day you can gift them a unique, beautiful, so this was it. I hope you like it, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please considering do so, because it and I really enjoy making different and unique creations for you all. And your tips and advices are always appreciated. They help me a lot, and we all are on a learning journey, so we teach each other and learn from each other, and this is really amazing. So thank you, take care, bye bye.